Right, so now in this video, what I'd like to do is I'd like to show you how to actually add some posts and pages to your WordPress blog. Now, there's a difference between, if you look over on the left-hand side, we have a section for posts and we have a section for pages, okay? And really, the easiest way to explain this is generally posts are going to be added to your website all the time. Like when you have something new to say, if you have new information that you want to put on your WordPress site, you're generally going to use a post to do that. Now, a page is going to be something that's more permanent. A lot of times pages will show up here in your menu. Like you can see, we only have the one page on this site, this sample page, but it's showing up in our menu. Okay, this is the menu right here. And now if I go ahead and add another page, which is easy enough to do, if I just go to pages, okay, right up here we can click on add new page. All right, and from here we can call this page anything we want. Let's call it our privacy policy. Okay, this page okay, and you can see we can do all kinds of things right in here. We just enter in our text that we want right in this page. It's very easy to do. You just type, and then you can see we also have, because we installed the WordPress SEO by Yoast, we also have some different selections down here that we're not going to worry about this right now. That's something that you can do at a later time. Okay, that's something that you can do at a later time, but it's going to be built right in. For now, all we're going to be caring about is this area right here. Okay, and you can see it works just like a word processor, anything like that. We can go ahead and we can choose to center things, we can align it to the left, we can bold things, we can do all kinds of different functions from in here. We can italicize things. Once we're happy with how we want this page, what we do is we can just go ahead and click on publish. Okay, and what we've done is we've created a brand new page on our site. And if we go ahead and refresh our home page, you're going to see that it shows up right here in our menu. So if we want to visit that page, we can just click on the sample page right here. Oh, I'm sorry. The privacy policy here. We can just click on that and you can see we just made this brand new page. Okay, everything is there. Now what I'll do now is, and like I said, pages are generally permanent fixtures on the site. They're going to show up in your navigation right in your menu. Now let's go to posts and I'm going to create a new post. Okay, and we'll just call this. And everything else is the exact same. We can just go ahead and this is the new post that I don't know what that means, but you can see once again we can bold things, we can italicize things, we can do all that stuff to make, you know, the text on here look fancy. Okay, and we can decide what kind of post. For now, I'm going to just use a standard post. A lot of times you will be using standard posts. We can add new categories if we wanted to. Categories are a great way to keep your site nice and relevant and nice and SEO fresh, but for now we're going to just leave this with one category. And if we click on publish and then we go over to our website, you'll see that now this new post, it doesn't show up in our menu bar because only pages show up in our menu bar. But if we look over here under our recent posts, you can see that this is that new post that we just put in there. Okay, so you can see adding pages and posts very easy. If you want to add a page, you just go to pages and then add new. And if you want to add a post, you just need to go to posts and then add new as well. Very simple, very easy to do. Shouldn't have too much trouble. That's the way that you go ahead and add your pages and posts to your WordPress site. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can add some pictures and video.